never looking back. He felt so happy, his heart so light. He danced around, everything was bright. But then the clouds began to drift. Jack felt a little sad, a sudden shift. His toy broke and tears came to his eyes, but he knew it was okay to cry. Feelings, feelings come and go, sometimes fast and sometimes slow. Happy, sad, or even mad. It's okay to feel it's not so bad. Later that day, Jack saw his friend. They laughed and played, a fun weekend. But then they argued, oh what a mess. Jack got angry, his face in distress. He stomped his feet, I'm really mad. But then he stopped and said, this is bad. He took a deep breath, counted to 10, and soon he felt happy again. Feelings, feelings come and go, sometimes fast and sometimes slow. Happy, sad, or even mad. It's okay to feel it's not so bad. The next day Jack felt a little scared. His first day of school, he wasn't prepared. His hands were shaky, his heart raced fast. But he took a breath and said, this won't last. He met new friends and laughed all day. His fears all melted, he was okay. He learned that fear doesn't have to stay, and soon it all went away. Feelings, feelings come and go, sometimes fast and sometimes slow. Happy, sad, or even mad. It's okay to feel it's not so bad. Feelings are like colors in the sky. They can change, they can fly high. But no matter what, they're part of you. Express them all, it's what we do. Feelings, feelings come and go, sometimes fast and sometimes slow. Happy, sad, or even mad. It's okay to feel it's not so bad.
Subscribe to my channel.